Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another Niawigs original. Alright guys, so we're back with a Niawigs U part wig. I love Niawigs. Beautiful hair. We did another review on them previously. So they come with a little brush, which is super cute. And you always need that. And a wig bag. I don't know about y'all. I have a lot of human hair wigs. This saves lives, okay? So let's get into the unit. We have an 18-inch loose wave U-part wig, okay? And we have her in the color natural brown. This is her fresh out the pack, okay? So this is a 15x4 U-part. She has the clips, so you know how we feel about that. Okay, so we have 5 combs on top, 2 combs on the side, okay? And 1 clip in the back. Also with this extra bit of cap space. I love that. And adjustable straps will kind of forever. So let's just get into her. I'm super excited about this now. My hair is not laid down for the kids in the back. I probably could have did that before I came here, but I didn't. So we're just going to use this space right here to get her all the way together, okay? And let's just actually, we're just going to throw her on. I want to show just how easy it is to wear a U-part wig, you know? Let's just put this on here. So I always start with my middle clip. And I'm just going to go to the sides, bring it up to the front. So we're just going to get to just laying our Niawigs unit all the way down. So we want to make sure that our natural hair is straightened out as much as possible. So we're going through and just getting her all the way together. Now, we have this unit, this Niawigs loose wave U-part human hair wig in the color 1B. It's a natural color. We have, this is 18 inches worth of hair. She is going for about 175. This is the middle part U-part wig, and it's a medium-sized cap. Now the cap is a little bit big head friendly, which is nice. I'm kind of forever in the back, and I know you guys saw it looks a little bit thin in the back, but don't worry about that. It's just how I had it pulled to the side. So this unit is super bomb. Again, she's going for $175, but don't you fret. We do have a Niawigs coupon. They're always running a sale, and ZAR15, if you use it, will get you some coins off your hair. So we're just going through and making sure that we have her all the way straightened out. So we're just going to go on through and make sure that our edges are laid down. I do use a little bit of holding spray just to make sure that they do not move throughout the day, because sometimes edge control just ain't enough. So we're just going to go ahead and make sure they are all the way laid down. And then we're going to go through and straighten out the top and give ourselves a nice curl pattern with the wand curlers. I like to go through and just make sure that the curl is uniform throughout. And it just makes it much easier to blend your natural hair in with the U-part wig. I really do love how this hair feels. I mean, it is so nice and thick. The unit is 150% density, and the texture of the hair is just wonderful. And I feel like it's easy to blend with my hair because it gives you this nice natural sheen that everybody wants to go for. Like, it's stunning. Now, it's important to note that this unit does not shed. She does not tangle. I have really been loving running my fingers through her. Almost a little bit too much. Like, U-part wigs just gives you so much room to do whatever you want. And I love that. Guys, check out Niawigs. They are coming through with the come through. This is such a natural look. I super love her. She was unbelievably easy to do. She took me no time. The longest thing to do was to straighten out my hair. So come through Niawigs. Check. This unit is a little bit more expensive than what we're like we're used to dealing with. But I really do believe that every woman should have a U-part wig, especially if you got some leave out, something just to give you a break from the lace. You know what I mean? This cap is a little bit big for me. It's a medium-sized cap. Knowing what I know now, I probably would have got the small. But I'm just like, good night. I'll turn around for you guys. I'm just obsessed. I'm really obsessed. And I knew I would be. I knew I would be. So I'm very happy with how this turned out. And this is a more expensive unit. I know we're not used to that price point. But she is giving, honey. And sometimes you just have to be like, sometimes you need a unit that is so quality that you could throw her in the back of the closet, pull her out, give her one of those, and tack her in. And this is definitely one of those units. I love U-part wigs. I love U-part wigs because sometimes lace wigs kind of bog me down a bit, and I just need a little bit of freedom to do what I want to do. And that's exactly what this gives you, okay? Just a little bit of freedom for the kids. Just a little bit. Look up, jump up on her. Jump up on her. Good night. Just let your soul glow, okay, honey? Now, if you have not already bust down, tell me what you guys are thinking. This hair is so stunning. Tell me what you guys are thinking into this Niawigs U-part wig, okay? Loose wave. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, but I knew I would be. So shout out to Niawigs for coming through with this bomb unit and this bomb brush. I can't get enough of these, okay? If you have not already, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you beautiful mugs later.